travel vlog due to the coronavirus and what's going on around the world right now. King Travel Vlog, guys. We usually travel around the world, seeing special things, special places, eating special food, enjoying ourselves. But today, due to that coronavirus is going on, we're taking a little leisure time for ourselves. And today, we're here at the lovely range right now, ready to put in some rounds and just have a little fun time amongst the fellas and the ladies today. So, what we got here? We got the drone, the
spaceship.
Yeah, go ahead.
The Inspire 2. We ain't playing no games today. We got the big boy. I will admit, YouTubers, they've been on me. They want me to travel with this big boy, but I don't got the proper case yet, and I'm afraid to put it in the plane. But since we're in my neck of the woods, we got Inspire out. We're gonna get some real good shots. We about to have some fun. If you take a walk over here, you'll see what I'm talking about.
So come and see what we're working with today. What we have on display. Come on the other side.
Mercy.
Let me squeeze through here. Oh, don't worry about that. Come on.
Kingman thing.
So we got a table full of rifles, ARs, shotguns. So we're gonna start down here on the corner. What we got? We got the AK-47, custom built. Custom built. It's a Blackheart. Pretty nice piece of machinery right here.
Yes, it looks beautiful. How you say it, Dre? I can't wait to hear it go bang, bang, bang.
We got the 5.56. Very nice setup with a Gessley trigger.
Wow.
This is a nice piece right here.
Wow.
That gas operated thing.
That one, gas operated?
Got the 5.90 shotgun.
Yep. Let me
I can honestly say I don't know too much about this gun, so.
See, I don't know what that gun do, but I know on Call of Duty, it's over for you with that. Over, don't matter what you got. You got that shotty, boom!
And for some may not know what this is, but this is actually a 308. This is a 308 carbine right here. Something I never shot before, so this will be interesting to shoot right here. And I actually can't wait to shoot some rounds in this thing right here. Everything on the table has been already safety checked, empty, burrow empty. We got the St. Springfield Armory, 5.56. So that's gonna be nice to shoot down range. Yes, sir. We have a custom built 223 Anderson manufacturer. This is custom built right here. Pistol.
COD.
We got the custom built 45 AR. We got the 300 Blackout.
You know you got to build you one of them, right? Yeah.
Don't forget this one though.
We got the Beretta Centurion, 15 round mag, 21 round mag.
Now, just really quick, what's the cost of building something like that?
The cost of building something like this, you're looking at anywhere between like $400 to about $700, depending on your options.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, do it.
We got the 22 M&P. And we have the Smith & Wesson 2.0 3.6 inch barrel with the extended clip, 30 round mag. We're shooting Wolf today. We're shooting Remington steel case. We're shooting Blazer ammo today, 45.
I need that little horn that goes off in the when you listen to the dance hall.
We're shooting Sailor. I'm gonna screw that name up.
We got
We're gonna bleep that out.
Here, brethren, we got additives. My Jamaican horn went off.
We got Winchester. Is them things unloaded?
Wow. Negative. So don't cock them or nothing.
Okay, we got Winchester. U.S. ready? We're shooting American Eagle 223, 55 grain.
And if you tag them, they better send you some shells. American Eagle.
Got another one here too, Glock. It's a 40.
This is madness.
Who's
Number Jake.
Yeah, we'll cut that out. James. So we got the Glock 40 right here. I don't know what gen that is. We have this is like a CZ P09.
Nice.
And we got the M&P Shield. M&P Shield is like the little brother to the
brother.
to the 2.0. Then of course you got the full size, which we don't have on display here. We're also shooting Federal 302 Winchester. And we got more Federal American Eagle 5.56. What is that? 45, 60, 62 grain. And of course the shells for the shotgun. That's the 5.90. And we got the tool ammo. This is for the 7.62 39. This is for the AK right here. So this is all the stuff that we're going to be shooting today, and hopefully we have a good time doing so. We should.
A nice safe time. We're here with professionals, licensed individuals. Some of us are just, gonna watch. Yeah. Let's have fun and be safe. Project.
I was thinking about doing a 9mm AR, only because I got a lot of 9mm bullets and shit. So I was thinking about actually doing a 9mm pistol. I got a 45. I got the 300.
No matter what, just try to keep that front sight on it.
Like that gun. Yeah, he like this Smith and Wesson.
Yeah,
It's nice, man.
it is nice.
It's nice. Where's the other clip at? Should be 4 clips.
Here's one.
No,
I got one here,
No.
but it ain't closed yet.
Okay. No. Should be another magazine.
There's 2 over here.
Yeah, I got one in my hand.
One
Oh,
in
you
the
got
gun.
one. Never mind.
Yeah.
I'm fucking tripping. Go ahead, man.
You did that on purpose.
got one.
Fuck my shit up.
See? 11.
Count 11.
You ain't gotta be that far.
So
I want you like right here.
29 in there. He got 7 out of 26.
What we doing here?
Oh, we're competition. So he got 1.
How many I got?
3?
4.
3?
You counted 3, I counted 4.
Maybe it was 4. Yeah, man. All the pressure's on you. $12 out of 15.
Was that 12?
Yeah.
So you got one, right?
Yep. Two. Three.
Just jerking. Extend your hand.
Yep.
See that? See the difference?
Man, is he missing that thing? Is there holes in that fucking thing?
Mm-mm.
Anything like that, is it?
Yeah.
5.
7.
Is that it? He not shoot, man.
Real steady, I
He tried to hit that joint falling, man.
That's brand new, man. They only got about 200 rounds in it now. I gotta at least get 500 for the day is out, man. That's when they really work good, please. But you didn't try this.
Knock that one off, man. Let me see. Yeah, them.
Nice.
You see the aftermath. Them pins don't even want to get up. Them is done.
What?
Looking up at you know.
Wow.
Yep.
Blind as an old cat. There we go. What you shooting?
It's a beautiful thing. Unbelievable how fucking vast it is.
Big mind you, we're 6,000 feet
10.
elevation. 10,
Closer to 10.
10,000 feet elevation, right?
There's
no light pollution.
Me and Fliz, we come outside. We come to the second story of our hotel. Man, your hotel's over a cliff, over a mountain, looking down this valley, right? I mean, looking down this valley, man. Homes like miles and miles in the distance, right? I'm giving you the picture.
Yeah.
So we go up on our second floor of our balcony, dark at night, right? It's, I don't know, 11, 12 o'clock at night.
Mm-hmm.
Peaceful, quiet, because you're so high.
Yeah.
We look up, babe, and the mother There were so many stars in the sky, you couldn't even depict a star.
Wow.
Because they looked like they was just
They
fucking
was all
clustered
like
together.
that close together, like.
From near,
The entire sky.
oh, it was fun. We stood up on a roof for about 3 hours.
I've seen the
Fascinating.
Pleiades, brethren.
Fascinating.
The Pleiades star cluster. You know I'm an alien.
Yeah,
ancient alien.
watching for that. Yeah.
The Pleiades star cluster is one of the places they say we come from. You see it in the sky, it stands out of all them billions of stars. You'll be looking at all them and be like,
And
what
you
the
can
fuck
see
is
it
that?
just like that. Wow.
Baby,
it looks unbelievable,
When I
like
say
its
it's
own little galaxy.
when I say it's unreal, man,
You can look it up online, the
it's fucking real,
Pleiades.
dude. Ethiopia.
And
this-
look, you know how big each one of them stars is, though.
Right.
They're bigger than the Earth.
Yes.
Each one of them. And they're that. Oh man.
That goes to show how far they
Like you
are,
said, we
how
ain't
far
nothing.
we are.
We ain't nothing here.
We ain't
man.
nothing.
Like,
Yeah.
we're just
Yeah, the galaxy is beyond beyond.
galaxy.
It's beyond
Yeah.
beyond.
All right, now let me whip some ass.
All right,
now.
go ahead. So.